So what is multitasking? If more than one task runs simultaneously, that is called multitasking. For example, you can take human body or operating system. So in operating system, there are a lot of programs run simultaneously. So that is doing the multitasking. And same in the human body as well. So this is the basic definition of multitasking. So let's get into the two type of multitasking, so non-primitive and primitive. So earlier, like in Windows 3.1, the multitasking was non-primitive. So what is the meaning of non-primitive? So in non-primitive, whenever the cycles of processor was assigned to an application by OS, then the control was in the hand of application, that whenever they want to release the cycles of processor, they will release. It was not in the hand of OS, it was in hand of the application. So suppose the operating system open the MS Word. MS Word has the capacity when MS Word wanted to release that cycles of processor in the non-primitive type. But now it is primitive. After the Windows 95, I guess, the multitasking is primitive. Now everything is in the hand of operating system. So operating system used to give the cycles of processor to a particular application to run. So whenever they want, they can release the cycles of processor from that particular software. So now everything is in the hand of the OS. They decide the priority of application and when which algo is used for which application. Basically, this is called process based. So there is also a question is like, what is the difference between process and the program and the thread? So now I will talk about the process and program, and then in later of the stage I am going to talk about the thread as well. So now we'll talk about the process. So the running state of any instruction is called process. And what is program? The static state of any instruction is called program.